What is the purpose of adding peat moss? The answer is water retention. How does Epsom salt benefit roses? The answer is adds magnesium. When is the best time to prune roses? And the answer is late winter. Why are companion plants used? Time's up. It's date or pests. What is the best way to kill aphids? Time's up. It's neem oil. Where should you place a rain barrel? Answer, near downspouts. Why do we use copper fungicides? Did you guess it? The answer is prevent blight. How does light affect seed germination? Here is the answer. Triggers growth. What determines a plant's hardiness? Time's up! It's lowest temp! When should you harvest garlic bulbs? Answer, leaves yellow. Why do you use horticultural oils? The answer is smother insects. How do you propagate succulents? The correct choice is leaf cuttings. What is the benefit of biochar? Time's up! It's carbon storage! Where do you find beneficial nematodes? The answer is in the soil. Why do you use a dibber tool? And the answer is making holes. How do you recognize thrips damage? Answer, silver streaks. What does F1 hybrid mean for seeds? Here is the answer. First offspring. When should you apply dormant spray? The answer is before budding. Why do you scarify certain seeds? Here is the answer. Break dormancy. How do you increase soil acidity? Answer, add sulfur. What are mycorrhizae fungi? Here is the answer, symbiotic fungi. When do you plant spring bulbs? The correct choice is in the fall. Why is liquid seaweed fertilizer used? Here is the answer, trace minerals. How do you measure soil temperature? Here is the answer, soil thermometer. What is a heavy feeder vegetable? The answer is sweet corn. Where should you plant shade crops? The answer is north side. Why do you use a garden cloche? Answer, frost protection. How do you identify scale insects? The answer is waxy bumps. What is double digging technique? The correct choice is two-tier tilling. When should you stop watering lawns? Time's up! It's during dormancy! Why is magnesium vital for plants? And the answer is chlorophyll! How do you prevent fungal rust? Here is the answer. Air circulation. What is the benefit of vermicompost? The correct choice is nutrient-rich. Where do you apply liquid fertilizer? Time's up. It's root zone. Why do you deadhead flowers? Here is the answer. Promote blooms. What is the function of cytokinins? Here is the answer. Cell division. How does photoperiodism work? Here is the answer. Light duration. Why is chelating agent added to soil? The answer is metal uptake. When does facultative thermogenesis occur? The answer is heat production. What is the role of auxins in growth? Time's up! It's cell elongation. How does xeric landscaping save water? And the answer is low water plants. Why do you use trichoderma in soil? Here is the answer. Fungal control. What is the function of amyloplasts? Answer. Starch storage. How does the pressure flow model work? The correct choice is phloem transport. Why is polyploidy useful in breeding? Answer. Larger fruits. What is the role of ethylene gas? Answer. Fruit ripening. How do you treat verticillium wilt? Answer. Soil solarizing. When is apical dominance broken? The correct choice is tip is removed. Why do C4 plants resist drought? Time's up. It's efficient CO2. What is the purpose of stratifying? The answer is cold treatment. Great job! Did you ace this quiz? Drop your score in the comments and challenge a friend. Hit that like button and subscribe for your daily dose of knowledge.